Have you heard people say all of a sudden or after all and wondered what they really mean? Don't worry. In this video, we'll make these idioms super easy and fun to learn. Ready? Here's how it starts. 1. A couple of. A couple of means two or a few. You can use it when you talk about a small number of things or people. Example, I saw her a couple of days ago. He bought a couple of new books. Tip, you can say this instead of two or three. Mini story. I called my friend a couple of times, but she didn't answer. Maybe she's busy. 2. A long time ago. It means many years ago or long ago. We use it to talk about the past. Example, a long time ago, people traveled by horse. My grandmother was a teacher a long time ago. Tip, it's common in stories and fairy tales. A long time ago, there lived a king. 3. A lot of. A lot of means many or much. It's used for both countable and uncountable nouns. Example, I have a lot of friends. She drinks a lot of water. Tip, you can also say lots of. It means the same. There are lots of stars in the sky. 4. A pair of. A pair of means two things of the same kind used together. Example, I bought a pair of shoes. She wears a pair of earrings. Tip, we use this for socks, gloves, pants, glasses, etc. 5. Above all. It means more than anything else. It shows the most important point. Example, above all, be honest. Above all, I want peace in my life. Tip, it helps you highlight what truly matters in a sentence. 6. According to. It means as said by someone or based on information from someone or something. Example, according to my teacher, practice makes perfect. According to the weather report, it will rain today. Tip, use it when you give information that comes from another source. 7. After all. It means in the end or, surprisingly, when you think again. Example, I thought I couldn't finish, but I did it after all. He didn't come, but he sent a gift after all. Tip, it often shows a change in your thought or result. 8. All of a sudden. It means very quickly or without warning. Example, all of a sudden the lights went out. I was walking and all of a sudden it started to rain. Tip, you can use this to make stories sound exciting or unexpected. 9. All over the world. It means everywhere on earth. Example, English is spoken all over the world. People all over the world celebrate New Year. Tip, it shows something common or shared globally. 10. As well as. It means in addition to or also. Example, she can sing as well as dance. I like tea as well as coffee. Tip, don't confuse it with also. This phrase joins two similar ideas smoothly. Let's review. A couple of. Two or a few. A long time ago. Many years before now. A lot of, many or much. A pair of, two things used together. Above all, more than anything else. According to, as said by someone or written. After all, in the end or finally. All of a sudden, very quickly without warning. All over the world, everywhere on earth. As well as, also, in addition to. Great job! You just learned 10 easy idioms. Now try using these idioms in your own sentences in the comments. Keep learning, keep shining, because every word takes you one step closer to confidence.